Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a blog in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for WordPress.com. After that, just log into your WordPress account and this is the interface you're going to see over here. We are going to go to my home page. Here, as you can see, I'm in my home page over here. After that, here you can see the quick links option. Just go below and click on the edit site option over here. After you have clicked the edit site option, it will take you directly to the WordPress's editors page. After you have reached the editors page over here, we are gonna look for the block we are gonna relocate. After that, just click on the block you're going to look relocate, and here you can see there is a drop down menu over here. There are various options. We are looking for the six dots over here that says drag. Just simply put your mouse on that option and select it, and now your block is ready to be relocated. You can relocate it anywhere you want to. Just simply you have to click the right side of your left side of your mouse, and after you are done, just simply undo the button and your block will be moved to your desired location over here. After you are done moving your block, just simply click on the save option to save all of your changes. Just simply click on save and your block will be relocated or moved to your desired location. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.